Hi, today I will explain about how we can able to create the glass roof in the architecture discipline. Okay, so first of all, I will just create one wall. So base constant and top constant to make it, and just select that rectangular so I can create like this. Okay, so after that, I'll choose the floors. Okay, I will create the floor also. It's done. So I can go to choose my 3D. So this is my model. I can go back to my level 1. Okay. Can go to choose the roof. Here you can choose this roof by execution. Okay. Here you can find out the pick a plan. Okay. So I have to choose this one. So now it is asking for the view, elevation view east or elevation view south, west. Okay. Right. Now I can choose the view. Now here you can find out the property menu. Here you can go to choose the edit. You can able to check that the type property. So before that, I'll go to choose the generic roof. Okay. And this is 125 mm. Okay. So now I have to create the profile. Okay. So I will take this start and radius. Okay. I'll start it from somewhere here, ending somewhere here. I'll just draw like this. Okay. Now I just finished. I can go back to my level 2. So this is my roof. So I can just drag it. Okay. I can go to choose my 3D. Here you can find out this is my design I created. Okay. So I can go back to my level 2. So I can just reduce this one up to here. So after that, I just select my wall, go to choose visible in view, and I can go to attached the base top. So now it's fine. Now the wall was attached it. Now I can select my roof, go to property, and here I can able to choose the slope glass. Okay. After that, I can go back to edit. Here you can find out if you need only fixed distance, you can make it the fixed distance. Okay. So I can make it around 600 or 600. Okay. The grid mullions, I can choose 50 radius, or better I can go for rectangle mullions. Okay, here also I choose the rectangle mullions. Even here also I can choose the rectangle mullions. Vertical and horizontal, I will choose the rectangle mullions. Okay, done. Now I applied that one. So here you can find out create that framing roof, right? Okay. Now I can go to choose my system panel. I can go to edit. It's offset 37. I can just put 0. What will happen now? So you can find out this is going somewhere here inside. So again, I can choose it. Go to edit. I can make it offset 50. So it's came up. So you can find out. So this is my level. Okay. So if you want, again, I can just tap. You can make it around 100. So it's came to above the mullions. Okay. So you can just, I can go back to my level one. I can make the section. So here you can find out my glass. Okay. So I can go back to select and put it around 90 offset. So it's came like this. Okay. Even thickness also you can able to change it. So this is the way it's created. Now it's look like this. So if you want, you have to change any material. Okay. You can just select. So this is glass material. You can select this one. So if you want to make it the aluminium metal or something, you can go for the metal and you can choose the color. Okay. Or just apply. We'll see. So now it's look like the cladding roof. So you can find out the cladding roof we create. So it's the way it's very easy to create the cladding roof and glass roof. So it's like a cladding. Okay. Even now I can go back here. I can choose my wall and I can create and choose my storefront, make it 300 offset and make it the unconnected around 2000. Okay. And make it one window like it's actually this is a wall, but I just created like a window shape. Okay, right. So here also you can find out this one also it's available like that. So it's like a cladding. So I can go to duplicate, so one two, and I can go to choose uh, this one. Okay, and fine. So I can make it like glass.